Indian aviation industry is the fastest growing aviation industry globally and one of the fastest growing sectors in the country. It is slated to become the third largest aviation market globally, with the private airlines accounting for more than 75% of the total industry. This ever-expanding aviation sector provides lucrative job opportunities in big numbers to the youth. There will be considerable expansion of existing airports and setup of 125 greenfield airports and increase of aircrafts from current 600 to 2000 in the next 10 years by both private and government airlines. Indian airlines and airport sectors are expected to witness investments over Rs 5.8 lakh crore, which will increase the opportunities in sector manifolds. As per Mr. Jayant Sinha, Minister of State for Civil Aviation, the expectation is to have 600 million passengers and a billion footfalls in the next 10 years. This would generate immense employment opportunities of more than 5 lakh people across various aviation services directly and over 3 million people indirectly. The employees become a part of the glamorous world wherein they meet and interact with the celebrities, high government officials, players, and many other renowned people who we desire to meet at least once in our lifetime. The environment that one gets to work in, the uniform one wears, and the challenging job scenarios help develop the overall personality of an individual. Aviation sector has opened avenues for aircraft maintenance engineers, cabin crew, technicians, and ground duty service officers. In 2003-2004, India had only 3 domestic airlines with 123 commercial jets. But today, the scenario has changed. Besides a plethora of Indian carriers like Indigo, Air Vistara, and many more, almost all major global airlines operate in India, like Emirates, Qatar Airways, Thai Airways, Malaysian Airways, to name a few, giving huge career growth prospects both in India and overseas in the airlines and airport sectors. Individuals having a scientific bent of mind, good communication and interpersonal skills, positive attitude and knowledge through experiences can consider a career as cabin crew. In addition to customer service executives, customer sales associates, ticket agents, avionics technicians, up to the level of an airport manager. These airline jobs can be secured with minimum qualification, which offers attractive pay packages besides the prestige, excitement, and several benefits that include free or discounted airfare for employee and his or her immediate family, life and medical insurance, and employee bonuses. Students joining iLead's aviation course gets trained under industry experts with emphasis on practical knowledge. Our teaching pedagogy includes regular classes, videos, manuals, interactive sessions with aviation experts. The course fees are affordable and job placements are assured at the end of it, making your vision come true. Come, be a part of iLead's prestigious aviation course.